Part 2 of the Python MCQ Marathon, 25 tougher exam-style questions on comparisons, bitwise operators, loops, string and list slicing, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and sorting. These are the questions that separate the top scorers in NSCT and lecturer tests. Keep your score and comment it at the end. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. Does the letter P appear inside the word Python? Is it A, true? B, false? C, an error? Or D, the letter P? The answer is A, true. The letter P is inside the word Python, so it returns true. It works on substrings, not just lists. Question 2. X is 5. Is it between 1 and 10? Is it A, true? B, false? C, an error? Or D, 5? The answer is A, true. 5 is greater than 1 and less than 10, so the chained comparison is true. Question 3. What does 5 bitwise and 3 give? Think in binary. Is it A, 8? B, 1? C, 7? Or D, 53? The answer is B, 1. 5 is 101 and 3 is 011, and keeps only the shared bit, giving 001, which is 1. Question 4. X is 7. Does the ternary print even or odd? Is it A, even? B, odd? C, 7? Or D, an error? The answer is B, odd. 7 modulo 2 is 1, so the condition is false and it prints odd. Question 5. X is 2. Which case runs? Is it A, 1? B, other? C, 2? Or D, an error? The answer is B, other. 2 doesn't match case 1, so the underscore default runs and prints other. Quick score check. How many have you gotten right so far? Comment your score right now, then let's keep going. Question 6. Break fires when n is 2, but notice the order with print. What's the last number printed? Is it A, 1? B, 2? C, 4? Or D, 5? The answer is A, 1. It prints 0 and 1, then n equals 2 triggers break before the print runs. So the last printed is 1. Question 7. The loop looks for 5, which isn't there. Does the else run? Is it A, done? B, nothing? C, an error? Or D, 5? The answer is A, done. 5 is never found, so the loop never breaks, and the else clause runs, printing done. Question 8. Each pair of I and J gets added and printed on one line. What's the output? Is it A, 0112? B, 0123? C, 0011? Or D, 1234? The answer is A. The pairs are 00 is 0, 01 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 2. So 0112. Question 9. Slice from index 1 to 4. Remember the stop is exclusive. Is it A, PYT? B, YTH? C, YTHO? Or D, the whole word? The answer is B, YTH. The slice takes indexes 1, 2, 3 and stops before 4. So YTH. Question 10. We strip the spaces, then lowercase. What's the final result? Is it A, with spaces? B, high? C, high? Or D, HI? The answer is B, high. Strip removes the spaces to give high, then lower makes it lowercase high. You're doing great. Drop your score so far in the comments, the tougher questions are coming up. Question 11. We join three letters with a dash separator. What's the result? Is it A, ABC? B, ABC? C, the list? Or D, a comma B comma C? The answer is B, ABC. Join puts the dash between each item, giving ABC. Question 12. How many times does the letter R appear in banana? Is it A, 2? B, 3? C, 1? Or D, 6? The answer is B, 3. Banana has 3 A's, so count returns 3. Question 13. The format method fills the empty braces. What prints? Is it A, high braces? B, high ADA? C, high brace ADA brace? Or D, an error? The answer is B, high ADA. Format replaces the empty braces with its argument, giving high ADA. Question 14. Slice from index 1 to 3. What comes out? Is it A, 10-20? B, 20-30? C, 20-30-40? Or D, 10-20-30? The answer is B. Indexes 1 and 2 are 20 and 30, index 3 is excluded. So 20, 30. Question 15. We append 4, then pop index 0. What's left? Is it A? B, 2, 3, 4? C, 1, 2, 3, 4? Or D, 2, 3? The answer is B. Append makes 1, 2, 3, 4, then pop 0 removes the first item, leaving 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Questions in the actual test look exactly like these. Comment your score so far. Question 16. We try to change the first item of a tuple. What happens? Is it A, 923? B, unchanged? C, a type error? Or D, a list? The answer is C. Tuples can't be changed, so assigning to T of 0 raises a type error. Question 17. We build a set with repeated values, then take its length. Is it A, 5? B, 3? C, 2? Or D, 4? The answer is B, 3. A set drops duplicates, leaving 1, 2, 3, so its length is 3. Question 18. Key B is missing, but we passed a default to get. What prints? Is it A, none? B, 0? C, key error? Or D, the letter B? The answer is B, 0. Key B is missing, so get returns the default we gave it. Note D square bracket B would instead raise key error. Question 19. Enumerate over the string AB. What's the very first line? Is it A, 1A? B, 0A? C, a 0? Or D, 0B? The answer is B, 0A. Enumerate starts the index at 0, so the first line is 0A. Question 20. First the key nums, then index 1 of that list. What prints? Is it A, 10? B, 20? C, 30? Or D, an error? The answer is B, 20. First we get the list at key nums, then index 1 gives 20. Quick score check. How many have you gotten right so far? Comment your score right now, then let's keep going. Question 21. We sort 3, 1, 2 with reverse set to true. What's the result? Is it A, ascending? B, descending? C, unchanged? Or D, something else? The answer is B, sorted with reverse true orders largest first, giving 3, 2, 1. Question 22. We call greet with no argument. What does it return? Is it A, hi blank? B, hi friend? C, an error? Or D, hi name? The answer is B, hi friend. No argument was passed, so name uses its default value friend. Question 23. We pass 4 numbers to a function using star args. What prints? Is it A, 4? B, 10? C, the tuple? Or D, an error? The answer is B, 10. Args collects 1, 2, 3, 4 into a tuple, and sum adds them to 10. Question 24. The arguments are out of order but named. What does this return? Is it A, 8? B, 9? C, 6? Or D, an error? The answer is B, 9. Keywords bind by name, so base is 3 and exp is 2, giving 3 to the power 2, 9, not 8. Question 25. F assigns x equals 5 inside itself, then we print the outer x. What shows? Is it A, 5? B, 10? C, 15? Or D, an error? The answer is B, 10. Inside f, x equals 5 creates a new local variable, the global x stays 10. That's all 25 questions. Comment your final score below, I read every comment. Subscribe for more MCQ marathons and daily practice shorts. See you in the next one.